Hello, and thank you for tuning in today. This is going to be a demonstration of the Project KONGOR open source as it is here in August of 2026. It's got these repositories under it, and I've gone ahead and locally deployed them as best as I could, and I'm going to show what it looks like currently. So once you get the Nexus server running and everything, it actually hosts this dashboard that is available on your local host. Furthermore, it hosts a website with download links to the client distribution or the server distribution and Willowmaker, the launcher. Not only that, but it does accept creating accounts and verifying them over email, and I'll show that real quick because it also hosts its mail pit over here, so we'll get the account verification thing. We'll name this test 6, right? And so that'll be created, and we can log into it in the website, and I'll show logging into the client as well. So we see it works here. So if I go over here, when everything's loaded up and so is Compel, then we can actually boot up on our local host the game client. So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll log. So here, if we just put anyone here, just to show that it's a legit login, it's not going to find that. If we do the account we just created, then it'll let us in. So furthermore, we got Compel working, so I can actually go to host a public game and select a server, and we can call that test game, make it a bot match, and I'm going to open up a second instance of Here's a New Earth through Willowmaker and show you that it basically works up to this point. So I'll log in as a different user. Test also just exists as a user. So if we log in, and let's put these side by side so you can kind of see what's going on. We can be joined in the test game, and then over here if we go to public games, we see that that is listed and we can join it. And so we'll go ahead and let that join real quick. Okay, so it's joined and we're on separate teams. I think we can also stick bots in there if we wanted. Oh, there's a lot more options in this version than in 3.2.7, it looks like. So we'll just make it a 3v3 and start the game. And we'll go ahead and select Corrupted Disciple. Who else do we want to select? Clanks isn't available in Reborn either. They did nothing, but they took away features, which I think that's not cool. So I'll catch you back in 1 minute when the game starts. Okay, looks like the game's about to start here, and I'll go and show that network games are no problem. Let's go ahead and buy some items and head mid, and go ahead and buy some items and head towards the mid lane. And we got the bots in here. We got this nice 4.10 client, so that's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and just show that these games are both working.
I'll blast down anyone in my way. Absolutely devious.
So here we'll go ahead and send a one of those. We'll get one of these in there. Ooh, I better run away. Oh no. Take some of that. Yeah, noob. Get owned.
All according to plan.
So that is basically that's Project KONGOR as it is right now, which means it's pretty much fully working. I haven't done the matchmaking queue server yet, but man, to have public games available again in this old version of Han that's not the Reborn version just feels really good. That they managed to preserve this client, and they also had the whole server side stack, so they you know, it's not a reverse engineered mess. It's the full, you know, it's the real deal. So I think that that's really all I have for you today. You can go ahead and get this GitHub repository. I'll put it in the description, and we'll get there. We'll get there, and it'll be revived, and we won't be stuck with Reborn. So, all right, have a great one.